Do you know what a knock sensor is? It's a sensor screwed into the engine block that converts vibrations into an electrical signal. This signal is processed by the engine control unit, ECU, which dynamically adjusts the ignition timing to suppress premature combustion and protect the engine without sacrificing performance. Its working principle is actually very simple. One end connects to the ECU, and the other end is bolted directly to the engine block. At the center is the core element of the sensor, a piezoelectric crystal, which generates a voltage when pressure is applied. Inside, there is a structure made up of a counterweight and a spring. When the engine block vibrates, these vibrations are transmitted to the sensor housing, generating a voltage. That voltage is conducted through the spring to the connector leading to the ECU. A resistor is connected to ground to reduce noise and electromagnetic interference. The signal output by the sensor is proportional to the intensity of the vibrations. When knock occurs, the increase in voltage